How to sublimate a ceramic cheese board.
The products that you will need for this project is a flat press, a ceramic cheese board, a ruler, sublimation paper, tape dispenser and heat-resistant tape, and a lint roller. Let's begin first by measuring the cheese board. This comes in 2 pieces, so make sure you remove the ceramic tile from the board itself. Next, we're going to measure the ceramic tile. The ceramic tile measures 5.90 inches in width. Height is of 7.88 inches. Now these measurements, we're going to take them over to Canva to design the design that will go in the middle. Let's create the template for the ceramic cheese board. Go over to the top and select custom size. Make sure your units are in inches and input the size of 11 inches in width by 8.5 inches in height, then select Create New Design. Go over to the left panel and select Elements. In the search bar, type Bee Honey Happy Frames. Then select See All. Select the frame that you would like to use. I'm using this one here. I'm sizing my frame to be 5 inches in height, which is 4.6 inches in width. We're going to place an initial in the middle, so head over to the top and search for the letter that you want to use. For example, F, gold letter. I'm using this one right here. Place your letter where you want it. Select the letter and right click. Select layer and send to back. Now we're ready to save our design. Go over to Share. Select Download. Change the file type to PDF print. Select Flatten PDF. Save download settings and select Download. Select Save and open up the file. Open up the print manager for the sublimation printer that you are using. I'm using a Sawgrass SG500, so I will be using Printmate. Take your file and drag it into Add Files. Scroll down, make sure Mirror is turned on. Change the product type to ceramic. Go over to Color Management. Under Color Mode, select Vibrant, then select Print. Now that our print is ready to go, we're ready to sublimate the ceramic cheese board. Start by cleaning the cheese board using the lint roller. Next, we are going to take the ceramic tile and place it in our press to adjust for pressure. Carefully remove the tile from the press and cut around your sublimation paper to better center it on the tile. Then using heat-resistant tape, tape it down. I like to tape mine on 4 sides so I make sure that it doesn't lift while we're pressing it. Next, place the tile inside your press. We're going to press this at 392 degrees Fahrenheit for 210 seconds. When the time is up, open up your press and using heat-resistant gloves, remove the tile from the press. Being very careful, remove the sublimation print from your ceramic tile right away to reveal the final result.
Congratulations on completing your first project using the ceramic cheese board. Look how beautiful and vibrant the colors turned out.